Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install Comfyui Portable and Comfyui Manager. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google, search for Comfyui. Go to the first link, Comfyui Portable Windows. Okay, to download this Comfyui version, first scroll, go here. This is those version for standard NVIDIA GPU, and this for AMD GPU. After the download with the NVIDIA GPU, I want to use this one portable with PyTorch CUDA 12.8 with and Python 3.12. Okay, click start download. Okay, fine, the downloading is finished. Let's close open the folder. Okay, close, minimize this window and make the Comfyui right here. Okay, before we extract this file, we have to download Python. Search for Python. Click download this here, from here. Click here. Double click to open it. Okay, install now. Close. Now return search for zip. You have to install Git. Click here. Start more from Windows. Git for Windows 64 setup. Start download. And close this one. This is the requirements for the Comfyui. After that, open it. Okay, next. And take this one, hit finish. Now let's select this Comfyui. And go to winner, extract to or extract file. Okay, extract. Okay, we are done of extracting the Comfyui portable. Okay, let's run it. Okay, fine. This is the Comfyui. It's installed successfully. Now let's install the manager. Okay, before we install the manager, we have to close the Comfyui from this. Let me one new tab and search for Comfyui manager. Okay, go to the first link. Go down. Okay, there is this path file. Click here to this path file. There is this code. How to add this code? Go here to the Comfyui portable folder and create new text file. And this text file will leave manager. Go here. Select all of those and go here to my file and paste it right here. After pasting this, we have to go here. This English save as. And, okay, orange registration. In English save as. Okay, we have this type text file or files. Go file. Run. Add point file. And hit save. Okay, lower this file. Now this is my file. When you click here, and now the installation of the Comfyui manager is begin. Okay, fine. The installation of the Comfyui manager is done. Now let's run the Comfyui. Okay, it works fine. This is my Comfyui manager. Thank you guys for watching. This all for this tutorial.